It's the bullpen at the YVC Auto Shop, this day stuffed with Vintiques classics, reminders of how much caring for cars has changed.
I work on cars, I don't work on computers.
These days, it takes thousands of dollars to buy tools and supplies to enter the profession, and Vintiques is helping, handing out scholarships to students like Jessica Viorino, a single mother caring for her daughter while planning a future fixing cars.
I've always been interested as a child. Just unfortunately, I never had anyone to show me.
This toolbox and its tools cost about $6,000. The check from Vintiques is helping Jessica, as is money from People for People and BFET, the Basic Food Employment and Training Program.
I really appreciate the programs that are available to me, and I do use them. I was prideful, but you know what? It's all for the good. It's only temporary. Once you're done with your school, you don't have to ever rely on those resources anymore. And now that can help someone else. Pass it down, pay it forward.
She's moving forward too. Once she gets her auto services degree, Jessica will apply for YVC's Bachelor of Applied Science program in Business Management. She hopes to own her own shop and employ other women who love cars as much as she does.
Now that I see that I'm passing my classes, I'm being successful here, so yeah, I am kind of more motivated to step it up a notch.
For more information on YVC's Automotive Service Technology Program or income-based tuition assistance, please visit the links below.